There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 28th of August. I'm James Spann. Should be a fairly active weather day for the northern half of the state today. Maybe even a few isolated tornadoes as Laura passes north of the state. This is the upper air look, and of course, Laura kind of dominates the circulation here across the deep south now. System will be turning to the east into the mid-latitude westerlies today, passing north of here. That was the radar this morning at 4:44. Rain falling over parts of Alabama, nothing severe. As the air destabilizes later today, we're expecting some stronger storms. Early this morning, temperatures are in the 70s, and dew points are in the 70s. A very tropical air mass is going to stay in place for a while. West of the state, heat advisories for much of Texas and Louisiana today. We've got flash flood watches for parts of Arkansas, Tennessee, and that clips the northwestern corner of Alabama around the shoals, where the rain should be heaviest today and tonight. Here's the severe weather outlook. First off, up north, an enhanced risk from near Des Moines over to Chicago and Milwaukee. And down here, we have the standard slight risk as far south as Huntsville, Vinemont, Jasper, Reform. The areas in yellow, level 2 out of 5. A marginal risk, level 1 out of 5, as far south as Greensboro, Calera, and Jacksonville, areas in darker green. And again, the main threat today, isolated brief tornadoes, and we'll talk more about the threat in a second. Tomorrow, a chance of severe storms from the southern plains up into the middle Atlantic coast region, and we note there is a low-end marginal risk for about the northern third of the state. And day 3, which is Sunday, a risk over the plain states, and again, a marginal risk over North Alabama, and we'll talk about this as we go. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, the bigger numbers just north and west of the state. For Alabama, around the shoals, heaviest rain there, 3.5 inches. 1 to 2 inches for much of north central Alabama, and lighter amounts for the southeastern counties of the state. Tropics, of course, Laura is now inland over Arkansas, but we have to keep our eyes on the prize out there. This is the peak of the season through September. We have 2 waves, one in the East Atlantic, one in the Central Atlantic. Here's the 5-day outlook, and for both of those, for now, the Hurricane Center keeping the chance of development is low for the next 5 days at 30%, but you always got to watch those things. The Gulf of Mexico stays quiet through the middle of next week. So model fans, here we go, the GFS, the 06C run at 4 o'clock today. The trough that used to be Laura passing through, giving us some good dynamic support. The surface low, the remnant low, is over the western tip of Kentucky. And again, with that low north and west of here, that will set the stage for some veering of the wind with altitude today. And as the air destabilizes this afternoon, some of the storms that form could try and rotate. This is the significant tornado parameter at 4 o'clock today. And you see those numbers are higher over the northwestern counties of the state. And again, with these tropical systems and the spiral bands, the tornadoes that do form, where they do form, are typically short-lived, and they can be tough to warn for. So just kind of be weather aware today, especially if you're up in the northwestern part of the state. And again, the better chance, I'd say, probably 1, 2 o'clock this afternoon until 7 o'clock this evening, during the peak of the daytime heating process when the air is most unstable. Otherwise, mostly cloudy. A few showers and thunderstorms are likely today with highs in the mid-80s. Now, this is tomorrow. The remnant low of Laura is over New York. So, interestingly enough, the global models try and bring some drier air down into the northern quarter of the state, which kind of coincides with where the SPC has a marginal risk, which on the surface doesn't make much sense. But if that is the case, that means more sunshine for the northern part of the state, and the air will destabilize more. So where storms do form, they could be strong with a chance of gusty winds. But otherwise, a mix of sun and clouds, a few scattered showers and storms tomorrow, highs, say, upper 80s. And then Sunday, that little intrusion of dry air doesn't last long. The precipitable water values are coming up, so a few showers and thunderstorms, good possibility. The high Sunday, again, upper 80s. And next week, the tropical air stays in place. Here's Monday and Tuesday, and again, both of those days we'll see scattered to numerous showers and storms with highs in the upper 80s. Wednesday, evidence the air could be a little drier. Highs up there getting close to maybe the low 90s. Same thing Thursday. So trending a little drier Wednesday, Thursday. And this is a week from today, Friday the 4th of September. Hey, we're into meteorological fall. Again, the main westerlies up to the north, a little trough, shortwave, and again, a few scattered showers and storms, highs around 90. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 6th. If you're looking for a good shot of cool air, that's not a good look for Alabama. Got a 591 upper high on top of us, and that looks, again, typical for early September. Hot, humid, a few scattered storms. It does not magically turn cool here in September. In fact, the hottest weather on record in the state occurred in early September. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean between 2 and 3 inches. Some of the members in excess of 4 inches. Highs mostly upper 80s and low 90s for a while. And this is the CPC outlook September 4th through the 10th. Really good pop of cool air comes down over the northern states next week. Doesn't quite make it down here. Temperatures probably very close to average for us. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.